The impact of the pandemic has caused increased demand for plasma. Human plasma donations are used to produce life-saving medicines for people with serious and rare diseases. And joining us this morning is Dr. Jennifer Haynes, the Division Medical Director with CSL Plasma, and Megan Ryan, a patient that's affected by primary immunodeficiency. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
Let's get into this. Doctor, I want to start with you. Why is donating plasma so important?
Plasma donation is really important because the plasma is used to make life-saving therapies, as you indicated. So people with all kinds of disorders. So immune disorders like what Megan has, or neurologic disorders, some inherited respiratory disorders, even bleeding disorders can be helped with plasma-based therapies. And what's important to know is that when you donate plasma, it gets pooled with other donations in order to make these specialized medications. And so for just one patient who has hemophilia, and that can be a severe life-threatening bleeding disorder if they get a simple cut, it could take over 1,000 donations of plasma just to make that treatment for 1 year. That's why it's important that if you can donate, you should donate.
Megan, can you explain your condition to us this morning and really describe how it affects your daily life?
So I live with a primary immune deficiency disease called common variable immune deficiency. Yes, that's a mouthful. I've lived with this disease for more than 20 years, and I have learned a lot about the immune system as a result. The immune system is a very complex system with lots of pieces and parts, and unfortunately, parts of my immune system are missing. So I am required to get weekly infusions of a product that's derived from plasma-based medications. So those medications help me have a healthy working immune system that allows me to be able to properly fight off viral or bacterial based infections that any ordinary healthy person would be able to fight. Without this treatment, I would live with persistent or potentially fatal infections.
And with that weekly help, Jennifer, just how important are these donations?
These donations, as you can hear, are really important. And not only can you help people like Megan, but you can help yourself during these times as well, because with plasma donations, you can do this up to 2 times per week. And because a result of that, you can also receive payment. So after each donation, you receive a bank card, and at the end of that donation, the funds are downloaded onto it immediately. So you can help your wallet while you're helping people like Megan.
Where can we go for more information in case this is really resonating with our viewers, just on how they can really provide that help, and it seems to get help at the same time in terms of cash?
Absolutely. We've got lots of locations around Las Vegas and even in Henderson. You can learn more at cslplasma.com. What's even easier is just to download our convenient donor app. It's a red square with the white letters CSL. And on there, you can find your closest location, answer questions about donations, and there's even a calculator to learn how much you could earn in those first month of plasma donations.
Well, Dr. Haynes and Megan, we appreciate your time this morning. Megan, is there anything else you'd like to add really before we go this morning on maybe the other patients that may be in a similar case such as yours, just on how these plasma donations really change your life?
Well, without these plasma donations, I would not have the quality of life that I do have now. It is important that persons that are able to donate plasma look into it more, because you are providing life-saving treatment, perhaps even to someone you may know who lives in your community or someone you work with. So I'm thankful for the legion of plasma donors who provide that life-saving treatment to me and many in my patient community.
Well, ladies, we appreciate your time. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Micah.
All right, your plasma can be life-changing for those in need. You heard the story this morning. If you'd like more information and find the closest CSL Plasma Center near you, just visit cslplasma.com, and don't forget they have that mobile app as well.